go to the gym and just go hoop, you feel me?
Here's any cash on you, dude.
That boy cash.
I just been balling out here.
Hold on for a minute. This is what we got. We got the head man who run all of this, who make all this happen for us, our superintendent. So they want to give y'all, they want to talk to y'all for a quick second.
I'm honored to be back inside this locker room. All right. I came here as a junior and I won a state championship in basketball. Came back as a senior and lost in the semifinals. Same game you guys took last night from somebody else. Somebody took it from me. A little small school just like that. Today is going to end the same way for them that it ended for those other guys. But it's going to take every single man's heart. It's going to take every single man's effort. See how y'all was grabbing each other last night? I saw coaches grasping a kid. We got to get through this moment together. That's what you did. You owned that moment. You took something from somebody else. You created a nightmare for somebody else. That nightmare does not end. It just continues to go on and on and on. Just for another team, for another city, another community. Our dream live on because you wanted this. You talked about it. You believed in it. You took what this man brought into this thing and you said, well, I can make this my own. Now look at us. You got people from all over the place fighting and arguing about ticket sales because they want to be here to support who? You. Rouge. Now finish the job. Finish the job.
There's 15 boys out there crying because they just lost. That can't be us. Everybody in this room been doubted. They said you wasn't good enough. You can be soft. I can point to every last one of y'all and tell you what they said. You too little. You too much of a hothead. You too thuggish. So you want to taste tears or you want to cause them? Because it's only going to be one or the other. Either going to be heroes or they're going to talk about what could have happened. I took a school district that was about to close. Nobody thought River Rouge would be here, let alone open. Continue this legacy. Everybody in here got a part to play. If we got you here, y'all carry it. We're the winningest program in the state's history. Let's have one more.